Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Power Query to perform a common and essential data cleaning task, splitting a combined date-time column into two separate columns. This transformation is crucial because it allows you to easily filter by date and analyze by time independently, giving you much more control over your data. 1. Access Power Query and select column. We first open the Power Query editor to access the transformation tools. 1. In Power BI Desktop, click Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. 2. Select the column. Locate and select the column that currently holds the combined date and time values. Next, apply the Split by Delimiter function. We'll use the space character as the boundary to accurately separate the two values. 1. Open Split menu. On the Transform tab, click Split Column /by Delimiter. 2. Set Delimiter. In the dialog box, choose Space as the delimiter, as the space character is what naturally separates the date from the time. 3. Set Split Point. Check Leftmost Delimiter. We use leftmost because the first space encountered is guaranteed to be the boundary between the full date and the start of the time component. 4. Click OK. Next, verification, type conversion, and cleanup. The original column is now replaced by two new ones. 1. Verification. Check the resulting columns. The first column should contain only the date, and the second should contain only the time. 2. Data type conversion. It's essential to click the small icon next to the column names and ensure the date column is set to the date type and the time column is set to the time type. This ensures Power BI can correctly sort and analyze the data. 3. Finalize. If you don't need the original combined column, you may reduce the table by removing it. Then, click Close and Apply to load the clean, separate date and time data into your report. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.